It's a carefully worked out process, and it's worked well for years. You spend the first week of, it's called preparation, and that's for the director, that's mostly reading the script and getting to know the story and what's going on between the characters. And then the first sort of encounter you have with production side of things is you have a script meeting, and you do out all your floor plans, which that's to kind of give the camera people an idea, and the sound people and the lighting people, as to where the action is going to happen and where the cameras need to be. And you also at that stage work out what extras you might need for the scenes in the pub or on the street or in the cafe. And then I think at that stage we're into the first shooting week, which starts with rehearsals on the Saturday, when you get to meet the actors, and that's the first time you get a chance to rehearse with them, and you rehearse all the scenes that you're going to shoot the following week. And then you spend that week shooting from Monday to Friday. Most of it is multi-camera, which means that it has to be edited as you're actually recording it, and that's done by the vision mixer in the box.
Yeah, shocked. Gan casa timpu go jarden taig o yaw and chin beat class.
And then you go into edit then the week after that, and you get 3 days in edit to edit the scenes down, or the episodes down. In fairness, when you get into edit, a lot of work has been done already by the editors themselves, so it's really just a matter generally of just tightening things up and fine-tuning things over those 3 days. Yeah, for me it's a much bigger challenge. Acting at this stage, I suppose because I have so much experience, particularly in soap, I still get nervous, but it's only good nerves, and then once you get doing it, it's just like riding a bike, it just comes back immediately.
Jenny on our shock.
Whereas I don't have that experience with the directing, so yeah, it's very challenging, and thankfully there's a lot of really good people around you who will help you with that. A cameraman will make a suggestion as to something you can do with the camera to make it easier to shoot a scene, or to avoid a problem, or sometimes the vision mixer will help you, or your PA or something. The actors here are so good, and some of them are playing the characters for so long that you really don't need to give an awful lot of direction. It's really just the odd time, maybe a little bit of fine-tuning, just a particular line that you can help them to make a bit more of. It's been very satisfying directing. They're a terrific cast, and they made it very easy for me.
Okay lads, gonna mil magui shin rap the law rinshil gashka mars gnaw.